This is healthy. This is vegetarian. This is vegan. This is tasty. This is beetroot with brown lentils and tomatoes with some fantastic spices. I really, truly love this one. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to go straight in on this one today. In there I've got 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You can change the oil if you want, of course. And I've got 3 cups of beetroot, raw beetroot. So I peeled this and then cut it into these small pieces, as you can see. So we're going to go on an above medium heat. I've just put the heat on now. We're going to go for about 5 minutes. We really want to kind of fry this beetroot off. And then of course we're going to add some fantastic spices and our lentils. So that's about 5 minutes of frying these around. Really quite important to kind of give them a good head start on everything else. Okay, now 2 cups of onion, cut quite small, in that goes. And to that we're going to add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. If you want, you could just put garlic in. I'm using ginger and garlic mix here. And then I'm going to add a nice big pinch or 2 of black pepper. Right, let's stay on this kind of lively heat and go for 4 more minutes. Really, really fabulous. I love this dish. Okay, now I've got 2 cups or 2 decent sized tomatoes. In they go. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. Some salt. And then I'm going to add, take a look at this. I've got 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and just over a heaped teaspoon of chili powder. In that goes. 5 more minutes on this high heat. We want those tomatoes to break down. And if you've used a nice juicy tomato like I have, we're hopefully going to get some moisture or water from this. As you can see, I've done really well regarding moisture. If you haven't, don't worry, because we're going to be adding water to this anyway. Right, here's our lentils. We've got 3 cups of cooked brown lentils. And I've got 2 cups here, bell peppers, chopped up. I mean, they're optional actually, but you know, I think they're great in there, a little bit of colour and what have you. Really fab, super, super fab. Now we're going to go for some water, or stock if you wanted to. So there's about 2 to 3 cups of water there. We're going to get the heat to medium now. We're going to let that go for about 8 minutes. Okay, we're done, so off goes the heat. Check it for salt, it's great for me. That is fabulous. Now I've got a cup here of cilantro or coriander chopped, whatever you call that. We're going to give that a little mix. Job done. I love this. I really love it. Steaming hot, fresh from the pot. I really, truly love this. The beetroot's fantastic in there. I mean, a lot of people don't like beetroot, but I love it. With the lentils and those lovely spices. Really, really delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.